You guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So I'm back with another My Life in London vlog. So what are we gonna do today? I'm gonna make kimchi. That is the national dish of Korea. Now you guys must be thinking, why kimchi? So if you follow me on Instagram, you must be knowing I love K-dramas. I love watching K-dramas. I'm a huge fan of Korean culture. So I just thought that maybe I should try making kimchi. I have had it before but never made it myself, so yes, it's gonna be really exciting. So before we begin, I have a special PR package that I want to show you guys. So I'm super excited to be teaming up with Korea Tourism Organization and Mr. Kimchi, and we are gonna cook along. How are we gonna do that? So there's gonna be a virtual cooking class, and they will teach me how to make kimchi at home and also kimchi pancakes. So I'm super excited. Like I said, there's a PR package. I have to open it up and show it to you guys. So this is what I found inside the box. There's some information about kimchi. Here's a Chinese cabbage that is used for making kimchi. There's a kimchi pancake DIY kit, and there are two other kits. I have to open it up. So there's salt for brining, spices mixture, sugar, spring onions, mooli, salt, rice powder, and some garlic. Honestly guys, I'm so excited. Let's start cooking. 요즘 사람들은 더 이상 편지를 쓰지 않아 왜 문자 하나에 다 담길까. To start off, I am going to cut the Chinese leaf into inch bite size and brine it using the salt. Now in a separate bowl, I am going to mix glutinous rice powder with 10 ml of cold water and then 25 ml of boiling water to it. Then I'll add salt, sugar, cold water and my favorite chili powder. Here I am also adding mooli and spring onions. Now I'm going to add this chili paste to the Chinese leaf. I have then put the batch in airtight container and going to leave it at room temperature for 3 to 4 days to ferment. This DIY pancake mix has got all the ingredients like this flour mix, kimchi and the sauce. Now in a large bowl I'm going to add flour mix and kimchi. Mix everything with water and your batter is ready. Now in a pan I am going to add some oil and then I will pour the batter. Cook all the sides and my kimchi pancake is ready. I thoroughly enjoyed making the pancakes and kimchi, and oh my god, I can't wait to try. It's delicious. How do I look? So I have been invited to this drinking experience and I'm super excited because A, it's Saturday night, and B, I have never experienced something like this. Also, there's something that I want to tell you guys that I haven't spoken about yet. So my brother and sister-in-law are visiting us and they have come all the way from India, and we have been spending some quality time together, and I want you guys to meet them. So here's my brother. Hello, Bhaiya.
Hello, everyone.
And here's my Bobby. She's adorable. Welcome to Tipsy's Down the Hatch. This place offers an immersive cocktail experience, but for us it's going to be an immersive mocktail experience because none of us drink. So basically this immersive experience includes a lot of different setups from all over the world. So you need to pass through all those rooms, and every room feels like a different place altogether, and you will be served with a drink. I was even served with a margarita and a non-alcoholic whiskey. I mean, never had I thought that I would be drinking a non-alcoholic whiskey. It didn't taste that good, but overall all the other drinks were tasty and I really loved it. So I'm done with this experience and we all are so happy. I mean, we really enjoyed and it was a very fun experience. If you prefer mocktail instead of cocktail, then obviously you will love it because there are so many options. And for cocktail I cannot say because I personally don't drink. And yeah, so we all really enjoyed and had a fun time. Thank you Tipsy's Down the Hatch, Mr. Tipsy's Down the Hatch, for inviting us. Day 3 of vlogging and today I'm gonna take you guys along with me for a fun day out. I am going to a very amazing cafe and yes, I'm just gonna have a very relaxing time. It has been a very busy week and I was working throughout the week and it's Sunday, so I thought maybe I should visit some cafes and just roam around and also create some content. Again, yes, work, but it's gonna be a mixture of fun and work. So yes, let's go, let's just enjoy this Sunday. So I got an invitation from Stuffed and I really wanted to visit them. So it's a cafe based in Shoreditch and the best part is they serve UK's first gelato donut. Honestly, it's a very Instagrammable cafe and what they do is they cut the donut into half. These donuts aren't fried, they are baked and then they stuff it with the gelato. It's quite exciting to see something like this. We chose vegan options, so these are vegan options. One is chocolate and the other is pista. The toppings include some Oreos, popcorn and chocolate sauce and obviously pista for the pista one. It was super tasty and yeah, one of a kind. So guys, I am in Shoreditch and look at all the graffiti. I had such an amazing time at Stuffed and I would highly recommend you guys to visit. The vegan option that we tried was so tasty and so delicious and it's one of a kind. I mean, I have never ever heard something like that and it's UK's first stuffed donuts, so yeah, you need to try. So that was it guys. I hope you guys like this My Life in London vlog. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and right now I'm just gonna explore Shoreditch and enjoy the nightlife here and then I will be heading home. Bye for now.